This is Todd Auslander from the Auslander Kasindorf Group. Jeannie and I hope that you weather the hurricane safely and without harm to you and your family. If you need any type of assistance, please let us know. One good thing about being a realtor is we have the names and numbers of reputable and trustworthy service people. If you need a plumber, electrician, handyman, or any other service provider, please don't hesitate to contact us. Don't rely on the yellow pages when you can rely on us. We are always here for you. Until next time, have a safe week.